Hi, I'm Ryan Lambert, the writing consultant here at the Colorado School of Mines.
Your abstract is a summary of your research paper that can range anywhere from 150 to 350 words. Your abstract should explain the research's topic and the research question or questions that you, the researcher, pose. You should explain your methodologies and your overall findings in the research paper. Often in industry, an abstract holds importance because it is the first item a reader encounters, and then many readers will skim through the rest of your actual article. What is more, your abstract will often determine whether or not somebody will even read your entire article. A good abstract will often answer at least some of these questions in paragraph form. What is the article's topic and what research gaps are being filled? What are the research goals? If the research involves fieldwork, then where and when was the fieldwork conducted? What are the research methods? So think of extraction methods potentially. What challenges or limitations did researchers face? What are the research findings? To what kinds of scholars or agencies is your article potentially useful to? Take a few moments and read through this abstract from Yushakov and Putilov's Prediction of Oil and Gas Occurrence in the Southern Part of Perm Krai, based on regional 3D modeling. As you read, take notes on what the authors are doing here. In the first few sentences here, we can see that the authors are explaining where they conducted their research and why that location is important. They also explain what their research goals are, which are to, quote, search and predict oil and gas occurrence in structures that remain left out or that have not been studied yet, end quote. Secondly, the researchers list a limitation that they found as they conducted their research. Next, the writers note their research method and the technology they used to conduct this research. What is more, in about 189 words, the writers explain the results that were yielded through the process of their research. In journal articles, in theses, in dissertations, we typically include a keyword section at the end of our abstract to tell other writers whether or not our research interests interact with their research interests. If there is that interaction with these keywords, if writers are also interested in, for example, hydrocarbons, that tells them that our writing is potentially useful to them.